Alright guys, in this video I'm going to go over how important is it to have your keyword in your URL for SEO reasons so you can actually get the page to rank. Now in this video I'm not talking about your domain name, I'm talking about the specific slug for the pages after the domain. So you've got something.com / let's say Plumber Sydney. That part is what I'm talking about. Now, what you have in these URLs is actually very important for SEO reasons. I've made a whole video about how to structure these correctly, so I'm going to put a link above so you can go watch that video about how to properly structure your URLs. But in this video, I want to show you how important it is to actually have your keyword in there. And the best way I can think of to show you this is to simply show you the Google search results for a bunch of keywords, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So let's say, for instance, we've got the keyword emergency plumber Sydney. I've typed that into SEMrush here, which gives us the Google search results that we can analyze. If we take a look at practically every single one of these results, except for this domain here and this domain here, which rank on the home page and will probably be optimized specifically for emergency plumbing, you can see that literally 8 out of the 10 results that show up on this page all have emergency plumbing Sydney in the URL in some way or another. So you can see here, Mr. Emergency, Plumber Sydney, Emergency Plumber Sydney, Emergency Plumbing Sydney, Emergency Plumbing Sydney, etc. So the best way to tell about anything for SEO is to just go and look at what is on Google's front page or on page 1, because that tells you what Google wants to see and will show on page 1, logically speaking. And so you can, by that logic, conclude that this is what Google wants to show, and then you should do the same thing. So we can do this about literally anything else. Let's say we go for divorce lawyer Melbourne as an example. We can scroll down to the results. You got the same thing again. Divorce lawyers Melbourne. Melbourne family lawyers. Family lawyers, divorce lawyer. Melbourne family lawyers, divorce lawyer. Melbourne something divorce lawyers. You can see they've all got divorce lawyer Melbourne usually in there as well. And if they don't have it specifically in the URL, they will have it on the page optimized somehow. Now, typically speaking, the more exact you can get this slug to the main keyword, the higher chance you stand of ranking. It's obviously not the only ranking factor, but it is an important ranking factor. I've just given you 2 examples here. You can go and basically search any keyword you want. You're going to find largely the same set of results. Now, the reason why this happens is because when Google's crawlers crawl the website, if you think about this, the first thing they're going to be exposed to for a website or the particular page is going to be the URL. They will first crawl the URL and then they will crawl the page once they're on the page. And so when you think about this, what that means is that by the time they've read the URL, they've already starting to get an idea of what this page is actually about. And so the more exact you can be with the actual URL to tell the crawlers what the page is about, the more likely they are to associate it with that keyword and that topic, and therefore that's going to help you to rank. So that's why this is so important, and clearly page 1 of Google does support that theory, because if you take a look at what's ranking, they all have some level of those keywords in the actual URL. And you can, like I said, you can do this for anything else. We can go, let's say, auto repair Perth. We're going to find largely the same thing. Car servicing and repair, Perth auto repair, Perth city auto masters, auto care. This one's probably optimized for Perth, mechanic Perth. So some variation of that particular keyword. Now, this now depends also how competitive the industry is. So this is a pretty good example actually, because the automotive industry on SEO is not as competitive, something like lawyers, health, these kinds of things. And so what happens is you'll see more variation the less competitive it is, but the more competitive it is, the higher it's going to be. So let's say, for instance, dentist Brisbane. I'm just going to give you this final example. This is going to be more competitive than automotive. And what you'll see here is a range of dentist related ones. Now, you can see here Brisbane dentistry, Brisbane dental. Now, a lot of these are home pages that rank. You can see Smile here, dentist Brisbane. Most of these have dental solutions, and then somewhere in Brisbane, North Brisbane dental. So you can see even in the domain, it's relevant to have that, but the domain, exact match domain, is a slightly different topic. So I'm not going to go into that in this video, but it's largely the same principle. So that's basically it regarding keywords for the URL. The main idea here is that you want to include the main keyword in your URL, ideally as an exact match somewhere in there, to have the exact keywords you want to rank for, and that's going to help you rank. It's not going to guarantee that you rank, but it's going to help you rank. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any questions about any of this, put them in the comments below and I will answer them. I also highly recommend you go watch my other video on how to structure your URLs. The link will be in the description below, so you can click that, go watch that. I highly recommend you do that. Otherwise, if you want me to coach you on how to do SEO and Google Ads for only $49 a month, go to learndominatemarketing.com. And if you'd like us to get you results with SEO and Google Google Ads, go to dominatemarketing.io and book a call with us there. Catch you on the next one.